Having a resilient food system, it promotes access to more fresh, healthy, locally produced foods, as well as community support. We're not relying on other people for our food supply. Farm to Senior Services tries to have meals that are provided to our seniors to contain local ingredients that have been sourced from local farmers. And so the farmers are made aware of the needs that the Senior Services has, what kind of ingredients that they use in their meals. The food is then aggregated in a central location, and in this case in McDowell County, be aggregated at the Foothills Food Hub, and then delivered to the Senior Center. And then the Senior Center staff would then prepare the meals and provide those for our seniors.
Healthy food is more expensive, and we're trying to give people access to healthy food where they might not be able to afford it.
The Farm to Senior Services program helps to connect our local farmers to organizations such as us, but also to our senior population and to the community. Having that fresh produce, obviously that's going to increase their health, also the longevity and quality of their life. In addition, this program helps us to be able to source with local farmers.
Being a nutrition person, I feel that home delivery meals is probably one of the biggest functions that we have here, because these people cannot get out on their own. They sometimes don't have enough help to help them cook. This may be the only meal they get. And when you think of it that way, any kind of healthy food is what I look for. And they enjoy it. They call and they let us know, and that's wonderful. I love to hear from them.
With people eating a diet that may not include fresh fruits and fresh vegetables and other healthier options, we know that these can impact chronic diseases later in their lives. So proper nutrition is very important.
By just eating healthier and being healthier and leading active lives, can help to reduce our healthcare cost overall. And so I think if we promote fresh, healthy, local food versus processed food, then I think we're going to achieve that.
When the seniors have their independence and are able to drive to our center to eat and congregate with people their age and have a familiarity of socialization with the people that they have stuff in common with. So it gives them opportunity to be out and about and socialize with people where they normally wouldn't have. And they have a place to come to do that.
I think ultimately when we started, we all had one goal, right? And I think even though the senior center maybe had to change some ways that they did things. Farmers had to change the way that they did some things. I think with just having that end goal in mind, I think is really important, and that just realizing that we're all in this together to achieve this one end goal.
Another thing that got us excited about the Farm to Senior Services is that we were getting farm fresh food to the seniors in our community.
It's been a really good partnership. We've had 3 to 4 people, organizations primarily involved. Obviously, the McDowell County Senior Services, North Carolina Cooperative Extension, McDowell County Center, the Foothills Food Hub, under the McDowell Local Food Advisory Council, as well as local farmers. So that's the primary organizations that have been involved with Farm to Senior Services.
It's important to support the local food systems in this region, to just support the farmers here.
Supporting local food systems, that's what you have to have in order to have a resilient food system. And so, there's economic benefits from having a local food system. The Senior Center, for example, they have budgeted money in order to purchase food. If they purchase food from local farmers, then that money stays within our community.
There is no way that somebody says it can't be done, because it can, and we prove that. When we work through it, and we figured out a process, if we can get that out to other communities, I think that's wonderful. To say that we were able to do this, to get it kickstarted or keep it going, is a blessing, because we wouldn't have had this opportunity any other way. I would have never thought of reaching out to local farmers saying, hey, you know, we need some produce. It would have never crossed my mind. So with the fact that this was presented to us and it was an opportunity that we could take and we jumped on it, I would recommend it for anybody to go out there to any other communities that have a senior center in different parts of Western North Carolina to say, hey, if you have local farmers and you're able to get fresh produce or fresh meats, look into it. Take a little bit of that budget and put it towards that, because it benefits everybody. It benefits the community. It benefits everybody who uses it. So I think it's a great program.